Kilindini Harbour's berth number 13 has been a no-go zone to both port workers and members of the public since Thursday night. This was after contingents drawn from the General Service Unit and the Kenya Defence Forces cordoned off the berth following intelligence reports indicating that a ship christened MV Hog Transporter was said to be headed to Mombasa carrying weapons and drugs. The vehicle-carrying ship arrived on Thursday night under the armed escort of the Kenyan Navy vessels. According to the vessel's manifest, MV Hog Transporter departed from the port city of Sharjah in the United Arab Emirates on the 3rd of September, headed to Mumbai, India, where it arrived on 11th of September. Here, more cargo is said to have been loaded onto the ship for its next destination, the port of Mombasa. But sources say alarm over the nature of the ship's cargo was first raised during its stay in Sharjah. Security officers have been combing through the cargo, which is said to include 3,000 vehicles, among them 200 United Nations armored personnel carriers. So far, the security team is said to have recovered a cache of weapons stashed in some of the military vehicles. A senior police officer who cannot be quoted told Citizen TV that a team of detectives from the Serious Crimes Unit has been dispatched to the port to join the operation. But when contacted for comment on the recovery, security officials privy to the operation opted to remain mum, saying they are waiting the completion of the ongoing operation. In the meantime, MV Hog remains out of bounds to unauthorized officers and members of the public. Michael Njenga for Citizen TV.